Equals, is your Dyson V10 making a weird noise? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The unusual noise often comes from worn parts or obstructions in the motor. Fixing it involves checking the components and cleaning out any debris. Sometimes, replacing a worn-out part can resolve the issue completely. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.